Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Is Emstacks Tutors. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a top-notch keyword research. If you are hearing the word keyword research for the first time, don't worry, I'm going to explain that. I'm going to tell you what keyword research is all about. Now, what is keyword research? Keyword research is a practice used by SEO professional to get user search metrics or to get user search queries from Google search or other platform like Bing and the rest of them. All right, so now this video I'm going to show you two methods to do proper keyword research. Now let's see what method one is all about. All right, method one says how to do keyword research for blog free. Now I'm going to show you how to do a free keyword research without using any tool. The tool we're going to use here to get this free keyword research done is just our Google search. That is all. No paid tool required to get this done. So now how do you go about getting the free keyword research? So I'm going to open a new tab. This is what I need to get this keyword research. This is the free method to get keyword research, but here you need to think smart and think deep, because you don't just go in here, do what I'm going to show you here and expect result. You need to be a smart thinker, someone that thinks deep. All right, so now let's assume I have a blog that talks about business opportunities or business ideas. So I want to get a keyword research I want to write on, or I want to get a keyword to send to my writers to write to rank on my blog. So what I'm going to do now to get this keyword research, remember this is the free method to get keyword research. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of this search bar here. So now let's search for a random keyword that has to do with business or business ideas. So let's go business ideas. Okay, sorry, this is based on my, I think I should clear my recent searches. No, okay, let me just go. So this is what we're going to do here. We're going to search for, like, let's go business ideas in United Kingdom, for example. All right, this is the United States. Okay, now I'm going to hit the enter button. This is the keyword I want to write, but now someone who is more or someone who is a fast thinker or someone who thinks intelligently want to just head over and start writing this keyword here. No, so I'm going to go deep into this keyword to get a keyword that has at least a low competitive metrics or whatever. So what I'm going to do now, I can't just go in here and write on this keyword. So I'm going to check more to get more insights. Now if you click on this here, you're going to get more related keyword ideas. Now as you see here, business ideas United States, business ideas in USA with low investment, unique business ideas, business opportunities in United States for foreigners, future business ideas, blah blah blah. Now I'm not okay with this. Remember, what we are searching for is long tail keyword. I'm not going to go for a short keyword like something like business ideas United States. I'm going to look for something higher or something longer to get this done. All right, so I'm going to head over to these business ideas with low investment. I'm going to click on it. I think am I okay with this? Let me check more. Business ideas, I think, is this list of most profitable small businesses, small business investment opportunities, future business ideas 2020. So I'm going to go with this. So now I think I'm okay with this keyword here. This is how you get keyword research. You can actually use this Google search bar to get your free keywords. This is what I'll be using before I advance to using a paid tool. All right, so now if you want to write on this keyword, there are some things you need to consider. There are some points you need to consider before writing on this keyword. Now, what are the points to consider? You check the website ranking. If these websites are highly authoritative websites, if the site is not highly authoritative, then you can actually go with this keyword and make sure you write more than your competitors. Make sure you provide more value than your competitors, then you're good to go. All right, so now let's go down again. You're going to head on to the bottom of this Google search. If you go to the bottom part, you're going to see something like related searches. Now it's going to show you more ideas, more keyword ideas. These are what people are currently searching on the internet. All right, so you can actually utilize these keywords here. You can write on this keyword, you can write on this LSI keyword to get more traffic to your website. Remember, the keyword we are choosing here, or the keyword we are going for, is business ideas in USA with low investment. I think I'm okay with this, and we are okay with it, right? So now let's go down. Now these are the related searches, or you can call them the LSI keyword. All right, now low cost business ideas with high profits, business opportunities in USA for foreigners, list of most profitable small business ideas, generally, or unique business ideas, blah 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 and blah. All right, so now if you are writing on this keyword here, I will advise you to also provide value on this keyword. You can highlight this, or you can go here, you can check this out, So now what are the points to consider? Like I told you earlier, you're going to consider checking the website authority, the website ranking number one. Now if you check this website here, keyword or business ideas in USA with low investment, number one website ranking here is 99businessideas.com. This business idea got PA of 33 and the DA is 28 with about 1,000 plus linking domain. This is the amount of backlinks pointing to this domain. And let's go down. The second person ranking on this keyword is businessinsight.com. This person actually got a PA of 25 and a DA of 17. So you're going to check down again. This is 45 DA and this is 49 DA. This is to say that this keyword is actually not competitive. As you can see, the first site ranking is not that high. It's not as high as 90 DA, 50 DA. This is to say that if you utilize the power of providing a unique and authentic article, you're going to rank past these guys here. So what you're going to do to rank past this guy, make sure you provide more authentic article. Now I will give you another clue to attract these guys here. You can go to this person's website, open this website, check the person word count. If the person provide article like 1,000 words article or 2,000 words article, you can go ahead and give the person like 3.5k article works. All right, if you can provide like 4,000 words article, you're going to rank past this guy in no time. At least 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, you're going to rank past these guys here and take over this search snippet. All right, so now this is how you can get keyword done freely without spending a dime on your blog. All right guys, here comes to the end of how to do keyword research for blog free. Now we're going to check the method 2. Let's open this to see what we have for method 2. All right, and this method 2 said how to do keyword research for blog paid. Now I'm going to use a paid tool called Moz. This is a tool that allows you to check or to get user search queries on the internet. Another thing I like about this tool, the method 2 option, it allows you to get a more detailed or analytics of what users are searching for on the internet. Something like getting the search volume of each of your keyword, and also getting to know if this keyword is highly competitive or not. So now, how to get this? Let's go to a tool called Moz. Like I said, this is a tool that allows you to get more detailed keywords. You can actually try to get the free option. If you don't know how to get the free option, you can check around my videos around my channels. I did a video that talks about how to sign up and get this Moz Pro for free. You can check out the video and then sign up. By the time you sign up, you're going to head over to Moz Pro option. When you go to the Moz Pro option, then go down to where you have Keyword Explorer. This Keyword Explorer is what we're going to make use of in this video to get our keyword research practice. Now, to get our keyword research done successfully, so what we're going to do, we're going to make use of this search bar here, and now we're going to input our keyword. And how do I get keyword now? Do I have anyone in mind? No. So what I'm going to do, let's assume I have a blog that talks about APK and the rest of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for Family Guy APK. Oh, it's Family Guy APK. Okay, let me go with Family Guy APK, Family Guy APK, and hit the enter button. So let's see if this keyword is good for us. So let's wait for this to load up. All right, as you can see here, this keyword Family Guy APK has a monthly search volume of 51 to 100% per month, and the difficulty is 28. Organic CTR is 100%. That actually means that this keyword has a very high CTR. Okay, and let's go down. I think I'm not okay with this search volume. This search volume is actually poor. Difficulty is cool. So let's narrow down to see all suggestions. Let's see all suggestions. Let's go down. All right, this is the relevancy of the keyword. This is the monthly search. This keywords Family Guy APK has a monthly search of 73, Family Guy mod 132, and let's keep going down to get something high. So since you wouldn't want to waste your time, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use this option here to filter out what I actually want. All right, so let's go here. I'm going to use this to get the search volume. I'm going to look for keyword with at least 1000 search volume. So let me go with this 1000 search volume. I think I'm okay with this. Then apply. All right, as you can see here, guys, this Family Guy the quest for stuff has a monthly search volume of 2418. And okay, I think I'm okay with this keyword here. This is Family Guy the quest for stuff. Let's copy it and go back to our keyword explorer to get more insights. So I'm going to go back to overview and then paste my newly found keyword to see more. Let's wait for it to come up. All right, as you can see, this keyword has a monthly search volume of 1.7k to 2.9k per month. Difficulty is 59. That's pretty high. Organic CTR is very low. 41 is low. This keyword is not actually cool. If you have a very high authoritative website, you can actually write on this keyword, but for me, I'm not going to write on this keyword. I don't like it. Its difficulty is very high. So I'm going to go down again to get something better. Let's keep going down. So let's check. I think this one here has a search volume of 1607. Family Guy quest for stuff. Family Guy the quest for stuff mod APK. So let's go with this. Let's check this out and go up again. Go to keyword overview, then paste your new keyword, analyze. Alright, so while it's loading, let's okay, exactly. So as you can see, guys, this keyword has a monthly search volume of 851 to 1.7k per month. This is the amount of people searching for this keyword Family Guy the quest for stuff mod APK per month. So it's very high in search volume, and the difficulty is 18. This is very okay. If you want to write on this keyword, you're going to rank on this keyword today upward. All right, so this is very low in competition. It is very okay. The CTR is 64%. It's manageable. It's very okay. The priority is 67. It's very okay. It's manageable. So this is how you can get your keyword research done successfully using the pay tool. Now let's check this keyword out to see the guys ranking there. If you are most pro, it's going to show you some search engine result page analytics. Now the number one person ranking on this keyword actually have a DA of 19 to 27 PA. The second person ranking 54 PA to 40 DA to 40 PA. The third person ranking on this keyword has a DA of 7 to 41 14 PA. So guys, this is how you can get keyword research done successfully with a pay tool called Moz. Alright, so see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel now. Hit the subscribe button, like my video, and also comment if you find this video helpful. Thank you guys.